Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Auto Repair. If you re-driving a manual transmission, you already know how much fun it is to take control of your ride. But if you not careful, it could turn into a costly headache. So today, we're diving into the top 8 mistakes to avoid while driving a stick shift. Whether you're a pro or just learning, making a few simple mistakes can seriously damage your car's transmission. But don't worry, I am here to help you keep your ride smooth and running strong. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1. Resting your hand on the shifter. It may feel natural, but constant pressure wears down the shift forks inside the transmission. Remember, your shifter is for shifting. Keep both hands on the wheel for control. Mistake number 2. Managing your clutch at stops. When you're stopped at a light or in traffic, shift into neutral and let go of the clutch pedal. Keeping that pedal pressed for too long can cause unnecessary wear. Plus, it's a great chance to give your left foot a break. Mistake number 3. Foot positioning. This is key. Your left foot should rest comfortably on the dead pedal, not on the clutch. Resting on the clutch even a little bit can lead to premature wear. Save the clutch for shifting, and let that dead pedal do its job. Mistake number 4. Don't coast in neutral. Some people think they're saving gas, but in modern cars, the engine actually cuts fuel supply when you're in gear. Plus, being in gear gives you more control, especially when you need to accelerate quickly. Mistake number 5. Always use the clutch when shifting. I know, it might be tempting to try float shifting, but unless you re-driving a heavy-duty truck, stick to using the clutch. It's there to protect your gears, and your transmission will thank you. Mistake number 6. Riding the clutch? Big no-no. Keeping the clutch partially engaged while driving can cause heat buildup and premature wear. Make sure your clutch is either fully pressed or fully released. It's all about smooth, clean shifts. Mistake number 7. Don't lug the engine. Driving at low RPMs in too high of a gear puts a strain on your engine. If your car starts struggling, it's time to downshift. Keep that engine in its sweet spot for a smoother, longer-lasting ride. Mistake number 8. Don't shift without fully pressing the clutch. Not pressing it all the way can cause grinding and damage to your transmission over time. Always press it completely to ensure smooth, seamless shifts. So there you have it, the top 8 mistakes to avoid with your manual transmission. When you treat it right, a stick shift can offer a driving experience like no other. Want to keep your car running smooth for years to come? Follow these tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and turn on notifications for more tips on how to take care of your car. Until next time, drive safe.